Alright, so here we go. We got the review. My first lime. Break the cherry, got the pool going, clearing out all the bullshit. Probably slept about an hour this storm last night. We're gonna review the claw. One drink. Guy's a douchebag. Never takes one bite either. It's always multiple. We got the game going. Lindor, big trades. Yelich, Lindor, Yelich, probably top keepers, I would say. Way better than Jays. Way better than Jays. Oh man. Here we go. Yeah. Kind of tastes like nothing. Medicine, lime medicine. Bad aftertaste. Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Definitely chick drink. Definitely. 4.1. 4.1. Would I drink it if it's the only thing left on the earth? Yeah. But, ugh. Ugh.